When we were in assembly, we met a lady that is called Miss Sherwood, and she's a animal researcher.
She's studying the endemic creatures. And endemic means like only is in Bermuda. She studies animals and she tries to make animals like not get extinct. And there's like this tiny scorpion that's like this small.
And it actually
It was like tiny, and guess what? It didn't even have any stinger on its tail.
it only uses
Its claws for the venom to come out.
and it has 2 claws for the venom to come out.
Yeah.
Her facts are that she's almost been killed by a crocodile. She also broke her pinky a lot of times because fracture, and then this went this way. She also said to trust your gut because she had a feeling that she should go right, so she went right. And then you saw the other side, and there was a lion.
A lioness.
And if she went left, she would be dead. If you see an animal, a deadly animal, even if it's tiny, it might be deadly. So all you do, step away from it and call an adult or someone like a vet.
You like act crazy because you're scared of it. Just hold that craziness in and then just step away.
Or hold someone's hand.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys so much.
You're welcome.
That was really great. Thank you.